Supporting the cell and division cell. So what is the type of this structure? Where you can find the test bud? Tongue. Is the tongue the only site for test bud? That's what developed. And pharynx. So don't forget this information. Site for test bud. Cells forming the test, present in the test bud, present on each side of tongue papillae, missing in which side of tongue papillae. What are the tongue papillae covered by? What is the type of tongue papillae covered by stratified squamous, and the others which are covered by non-keratinoid teeth? Stratified non-keratinoid teeth. Another test bar, same information. This is tooth or teeth, because this is an incisor teeth and this is premolar or molar tooth. What form is the main mass for the tooth? Is the dentine. Okay, what is the hardest material in the teeth or in the tooth? The enamel. What is the percentage of its mineral content? About 96 or 95. Okay, what are the components? What's present in the dentine? Which is covered by enamel in the crown and covered by cementum in the root. What does it contain? Is it rich in minerals? Forms 75%. Does it contain dental tubules? Yes. Dental tubules extend from the bulb cavity to the junction between dentine and the enamel, and the junction between dentine and the cementum. What does this dental tubules contain? Processes of what? Odontoblasts, which line the bulb cavity. Their processes extend into the dental tubule together with sensory nerves. Does not extend to the surface, but to the junction, but thread ending proximally here. Okay, it also, in addition to the process of odontoblast, there is tissue fluid and in the proximal part, nerve fiber, sensory nerve fiber. Okay, what else? Do the bulb cavity is lined by cells? Odontoblast. Okay, what is about cementum? Which covers the dentine in the root. It is similar form, but contain about 60 or 65% minerals. The upper part is acellular, while the lower part is cellular. It gets its nutrition from blood vessels in the periodontal ligament. Ligaments in the body are poor in blood vessels, but the periodontal ligament is rich in blood vessels because it nourishes the cells of cementum. Dentine is formed all over life. So the narrow cavity, the bulb cavity narrow. Cementum, its formation continues to stabilize the tooth with age. So it is second in the lower part. This is the hard palate. Hard palate. This is the bone, and this is the submucosa containing a gland, and this is the mucosa covered by stratified squamous keratinoid. Where you can find stratified squamous else in the mouth cavity, in the epithelium covering by the form papillae. So hard palate is covered by stratified squamous keratinoid epithelium, while the form papillae are covered by stratified squamous keratinoid. Also some sites in the gum, but forget about it. The gum at some sites where there is pressure of food. What forget about it? Okay, what is this structure? Which is covered from outside by thin skin provided with hair and the hair follicles and the skin gland, and lined from inside by mucous membrane with radial gland in the submucosa. The core of the rib is formed of skeletal muscle fibers centrally arranged, orbicularis oris. What is in between the mucosa and the skin? This area which appears red is called red margin. Red margin or vermilion area. What characterizes the red margin? The blood vessels it has, but not clearly in the picture, high dermal papilla. The connective tissue go up into the, I think this is much better here. This area. High dermal papillae. These dermal papillae are vascular and they contain receptors for touch. This area is covered by ordinary skin or modified skin. Modified. Why? Its epidermis is transparent. It's on the surface. So skin, its epithelium is transparent. It has high dermal papillae vascular with sensory receptors. No glands or the glands are few in the upper leg, but forget about glands. So it is covered by modified skin. Okay, forget about this. This is a part of the stomach, glands in the gastric gland. Forget about. Okay. What is the type of this section? What is the name of this section? Number one, is it cellular or non-cellular? Cellular. Does it have spaces which represent sinusoidal capillaries? So the cells are present in cones or in groups separated by sinusoidal capillaries. Which type of this structure? Endocrine gland or exocrine gland? Endocrine gland. Which gland which contains cells of different sizes and with different reaction for staining and forming of well-stained cells and poorly stained cells. Poorly stained cells. Basal cells, which is forming of chromophores and chromophils. Chromophils are divided according to staining reaction into acidophils and basophils. What are the types of acidophils? Somatotroph and mammatroph. What are the types of basophils? Thyrotroph, gonadotroph, and corticotroph. And you have to know the function of each hormone. So, the acidophils and the basophils are granulated. They contain granules. Its ability for staining or staining characters are different. The granules in acidophils make the cells take the acidic stain. The granules in basophils take the basic stain. What is the type of this section 2? Is it cellular? Do the cells have, it's by hematopsin, you see, do some of its cells are acidophilic and the others are basophilic? Yes. Do the cells are different in sizes? Do the very stained cells are small and poorly stained? Yes. So these are chromophores. Okay? These are acidophils. The large cells are acidophils. Basophils Basophils are large. Basophils are large. Basophils are larger actually. But the reaction is not good here. It's good in front of me. So I will tell you the site of base acidophils. Actually, these are acidophils. These are acidophils. And these are basophils. What are these? Endothelium of blood capillaries. What is this? Sinusoidal capillary. So, what is the type of capillaries in endocrine gland? Sinusoidal capillary. So, if you found a number here, sinusoidal capillary. Here, acidophils. Here, basophils. Name, pars distalis of pituitary gland. Okay? You will be asked about the acidophils, the basophils, the connection between pars distalis and the hypothalamus, and so on. So, the exam is a mixture of what? Theoretical together with practical. I was asked to do it in the same way as anatomy. But if I am going to do this exam, I will make what is the section, give 2 points for identification, as in the very practical quiz. But I was asked to do it in this way, a mixture of practical and 4 questions. Type of section, contents, functions, and so on, characters, and so on. What is about this ET section? Thyroid gland. What is this structure? Colloid. What are the types of cells present in the wall of follicles? 2 types of cells. What are these 2 types? Follicular cells together with parafollicular cells. What is the content of colloid? Iodinated thyroglobulin. Iodinated thyroglobulin. I may ask you where iodination of thyroglobulin occurs. Intracellular, extracellular in the colloid, and so on. Okay? What is the type of the reaction of cytoplasm of the follicular cells? Is it acidophilic or basophilic? It forms the thyroglobulin. Thyroglobulin is a protein. It contains protein. Who forms the protein inside cells? The protein which will be formed inside cells and secreted to outside. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the cells are rich in rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the cytoplasm appears basophilic. Do the cells reach to the lumen or does not reach to the lumen? Reach. Which type of cells does not reach to the lumen? The parafollicular cells. Because its secretion goes directly to the blood and not is stored inside the thyroid follicles. Also, the parafollicular cells which secrete calcitonin. What is the function of calcitonin? Another picture for follicles. These are follicular cells. And this is the colloid. What are these sites? These are the sites of phagocytosis. Phagocytosis of what? Iodinated colloid. For destruction by lysosomal enzymes. To secrete H3 and D4. Okay, I asked what is the function of calcitonin? It's against the anti-parathyroid hormone effect. Parathyroid hormone secreted by sheath cells in parathyroid glands activates osteoclasts. They eat bone, free calcium, and drive it in the bloodstream. But calcitonin depresses the function of osteoclasts to decrease the blood calcium level. Okay, these are a group. This is a group of thyroid follicles, and this is a group of interfollicular cells. Interfollicular cells. The type of interfollicular cells is male, and they are pale. They are pale, so they are parafollicular cells. Appear in the areas, cellular areas in between follicles. Will not come in a section. What is the type of this gland? Cellular. Groups of cells or corpus of cells separated by blood vessels. So it has to without blood. So it is an endocrine gland. What is the type of endocrine gland? Forming of small bell cells together with groups of acidophilic cells. Parathyroid gland. These are the sheath cells, the principal cells of the parathyroid gland. These are some plant cells which increase after puberty. Here, a group of oxyphil cells, which are regarded degenerated or supposed to be degenerated sheath cells. The fat content increases with age. So, where you can find the fat cells in glands? In exocrine glands, parotid, maybe. In endocrine glands, parathyroid glands. Okay. What is the type of this gland? Suprarenal gland. It is formed of a broad outer cortex and the inner middle. This is mesodermal in origin and this is ectodermal in origin. This is less vascular, but here it is more vascular. Okay. What is the structure of suprarenal cortex? It is divided into three zones. Subcapsular zone, middle zone, and the inner zone before the middle. But we'll make another picture. Okay. What is this area? Forming of rounded or oval structure. Stimulated by angiotensin system and secreting aldosterone. Zona glomerulosa. Next, columns of pale, stained, large cells. Columns or fascicles or rows of large, pale cells, separated by sinusoidal capillaries. They are pale. Why they are pale? They secrete cortisone. What is the type of cortisone? Is it protein or steroid hormone? The steroid hormones are synthesized from lipids. So the cells accumulate lipids in the form of lipid droplets and use it for the synthesis of steroid hormone. When the lipid droplets dissolve, each lipid droplet appears as an empty area. So the cell contains multiple empty areas, just like a sponge. So these cells are called spongiocytes. Cells of zona fasciculata. Do the cells in zona glomerulosa and the cells in zona reticularis contain lipid too? Yes. But reticularis is poor in lipid droplets, while the glomerulosa intermediating its lipid content. between zona fasciculata and zona reticularis. More content in zona glomerulosa, less content in zona more content zona fasciculata, less content zona glomerulosa. The least content in zona reticularis. What are the hormones secreted by zona reticularis? What are the hormones secreted by zona reticularis? Androgen. Androgen. Okay, what is about the medulla? Here, the zona reticularis, and here, the medulla. What is the type of cells present in the suprarenal medulla? Chromophils. Why we call them chromophils? They take the color of chromic acid by staining. What does they are regarded modified sympathetic nerve cells. Modified. What is the type of? Do the cells are granular? Do they contain secretory granules? Yes. Some of the cells contain granules containing epinephrine, and the others secrete norepinephrine. So the type of granules, epinephrine and norepinephrine, each is secreted by one type of cell. The cell either secrete epinephrine or secrete norepinephrine. Okay, forget about what are the characters of steroid hormone secreting cells? In the three zones of general characters. Number one, pale cells. Acidophilic or basophilic? Acidophilic or basophilic? Acidophilic. Why acidophilic? Which endoplasmic reticulum forms steroid hormone? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And these are sections in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. All of these. Okay. Who help or cooperate with the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the synthesis of steroid hormone from lipid. Mitochondria. What is the character of these mitochondria? They have tubular cresti. So, the cresti in other cells, they appear as shells. But if they are tubular, you will find the circles. The tubular cresti are cut transversely. So, these circles are cresti. Mitochondria is characterized by the presence of double membrane. It's a general revision for the two. This is suprarenal medulla, vascular, and this is the zona reticularis. مش مشكلة. مش حاجة. Okay, what's the type of this section? Which is formed of lobules. The lobules, actually the picture is small. The lobules are forming of two types of cells. What are these two types of cells? What is the section? Pineal body. Why it is pineal body? It contains the brain sand, calcium deposition, seen in X-rays or CAT scan, and help you to know the type of brain tumor is present in the surrounding area. It is forming of two types of cells. What are the two types of cells? Pinealocytes. It's the part of the nervous tissue who support and nourish the cells. Glia cells. Okay? So the pineal gland, what is the type of of secretion secreted by the pyrenocytes. Yes, melatonin and serotonin. They decrease in old age. Okay, it's a secretion decrease in old age. They have an effect in controlling puberty. If the pineal gland is destroyed early by a tumor, there is precocious puberty. The child or the girl may reach to puberty at the age of 8 years, 10 years, or less. Because they depress the function, excretion, depress the function of gonads. Here is the time of puberty. This is the part of the salivary gland. These are serous cyani. These are striated ducts. These are intercalated ducts. The striated ducts have base, that is striation. The nuclei are above the base due to the presence of better striation. They reach up to this level, so the nuclei appear central rather than basal. And these are intercalated ducts, smaller and lined by cubical cells. And these cells are serous. How the serous immune cells deliver their secretion in between, in debilune, but the debilune is not present here. The cells of debilune deliver their secretion to the lumen of mucocacini through intercellular canalicular. This is another serous gland. Another serous gland. Okay, what's the type of this section? What are the structures seen in this picture? We see secretory acini together with that. So what is the type of this section? Salivary gland. Which type of salivary gland? Which type of salivary gland? You see only mucus. It's a parotid or submandibular or sublingual? Sublingual. What is the type of this part? Intercalated. Why? Lined by cubical cells. The breadth similar to the height. And the nuclei are rounded and centered. And the lumen is the whole, the duct is small. And this is the connective tissue. This is another acina. So this duct is inside lobule. Name of section, sublingual gland. Constituents, mucocacini. Switch of secretion by myoepithelial cells. Okay? This is another papilla. What is the type of this papilla? Circumvallate papilla. Papilla. Where you can find circumvallate papilla? Along the what? Sulfur terminalis. They are the largest type of papilla. They are, each one is surrounded by a groove, so they are called circumvallate papilla. Where you can find the first ones at the sides. At the sides. Who open into the base of the groove. The back of serous gland. What we call these serous glands? Von Eppner glands. What does these glands do? They flush the contents of the groove to renew the stimulus for the next part. The food comes, it stimulates and then removes again. Who removes this secretion? The secretion of the serous acini, which are called von Eppner glands. What is the type of this papilla? This papilla. We have two types. What is the type of histology? Fibrous, keratinized, no test buds, give a rough surface. What is the type of histology? Narrow base and the broad apex, but the test buds are not clear as the surface. They are present as the apex, but not clear in the section. These are branchiform. Why? Wide apex, narrow base. Test buds as the apex. What is the type of this section? Cornea. What are the layers of cornea? What is number one? Cornea is covered anteriorly by epithelium and lined posteriorly by endothelium. What is the type of epithelium covering the cornea? Stratified squamous non-keratinized. Next. Bowman's membrane. What happens if the Bowman's membrane, what is the function of Bowman's membrane? Protect against bacterial infiltration or entrance. And it is important for regeneration of epithelium if it was injured. If the Bowman's membrane is destroyed, what will happen? The connective tissue in the substantia propria, which forms the main thickness of the cornea, will go up and appear at the surface and covered by a thin layer of epithelium, forming an opaque area, non-transparent area, a blind area. Okay? What is next? Number 3, it is the substantia propria, which forms the main thickness in the cornea. It is formed of layers of parallel collagen fibers. The collagen fibers in one layer are present at right angle. Right angle, just like this. Okay, it's important to keep the cornea transparent. What is present in between the layers of collagen fibrous cells called corneal corpuscle? Okay. What is next? Number 4. Let's make endothelium. Epithelial membrane. And then descent endothelium. What is the structure of descent endothelium? What is the type of this epithelium? Simple squamous. What is its function? Relative dehydration of the cornea. If the water content in the cornea is increased, it becomes cloudy and will affect the vision. Okay. This is the picture for what? Picture for the eye wall, showing the 3 layers posteriorly. This part is the sclera. This part is the choroid. Next, from A to 1 is the retina. This is the pigmented layer of the retina. This is the layer of dorsal cone. This is the outer limiting membrane, dotted line. This is the outer nuclear layer. Outer plexiform. Inner nuclear layer. Inner plexiform. Ganglion cell layer. Nerve fiber layer, and then inner limiting membrane. Okay. What are the layers of the choroid? What are the contents of the choroid? Is vascular, pigmented, connective tissue. Okay? Okay. What is the function of pigmented epithelium for the retina? of discarded discs. Discs of what? Rods or cones? Rods. Also, it absorbs the light after stimulation of the rod and the cone cell. Okay. Phagocytosis of discs of rods. Together with absorption of light to prevent restimulation again. Now, what are the types, the nuclei of cells in the inner nuclear layer? They are the nuclei of which type of cells? Bipolar, amacrine, horizontal, and molar cell. Okay? Which of them is regarded a glia cell? Molar cell. Supporting and nourishing cells of the retina. Okay? Where you can find what is the area which contains only cones? Fovea centralis, where you can find the tallest cones. Fovea centralis, where you can find no cones and no rods. Optic disc, the blind spot. Okay. Another thing. What is the layer of the eye which is covered by two layers of pigmented epithelium? Which part of the eye? Ciliary processes are covered by one pigmented and one non-pigmented, which is green. That's aqueous humor. Which part of the eye is covered by two layers of pigmented epithelium? Iris. Iris is covered posteriorly by two layers of pigmented epithelium, while the ciliary body has one layer of pigmented epithelium, and the retina has one layer of pigmented epithelium. Okay? Okay, what is the structure you see? Cochlea. What is the structure you see? Organ of Corti. Okay. What is present in number one? What is number one indicate? The sign of scala. Scala what? Vestibuli, media, or tympani? Vestibuli. What does it contain? Very limb. Where is its opening down to the vestibule? It is connected down with the vestibule. What connects it up with the scala tympani? At the apex of the cochlea, the scala vestibuli and the scala tympani are connected by narrow opening. What you call this narrow opening? Helicotrema. The scala vestibuli and the scala tympani contain verilin, while the cochlear duct or the scala media contains endolymph. What is the structure of organ of Corti? Two types of cells. What are these two types of cells? hair cells and supporting cells. This is a cavity. What do you call this cavity? Family reporting. Family reporting. Who's around this cavity? Pillar cells. Pillar cells. Who carry the pharyngeal cells? Who carry the hair cells? Pharyngeal cells. Okay. Where you can find the vascular epithelium in the ear? Stria vascularis. Here it's stratified vascular epithelium. Who connects the spiral ligament to the osseous spiral lamina? Number 11. Basilar membrane. Basilar membrane. Where you can find the spiral ganglion? This is the spiral ganglion. Cells. Number 13. Spiral ganglion cells. Picture will be much better than here. In the module, the spinal ganglia cells, which gives the cochlear nerve and give them the right to receive the stimulus from the hair cells, then the right from hair cells to spinal ganglion, and then cochlear nerve fiber. These are present in the modulus. Number 12, confusing. It may be pictorial membrane, so I will not ask about it. Okay, I think I did. I think I did. Do you have any questions? Okay. Actually, I mixed this lecture practical and theoretical. And I told you many questions. Many questions. Or I answered many questions without mentioning the question by itself. Yes. نعم. كم سلايد؟ هو دكتور سمير يعني 5 سلايد. 5 سلايد. نعم. كلهم؟ ايه؟ في 4 أسئلة. The first question would be the introduction. The second, third, and the fourth about its function, content, structure, and so on. Thank you. And good luck. What is the name of this section? You? What is the name of this section? Submandibular gland. Why? It contains, it's a mixed gland. It contains serous acini, mucus acini, and creases. Creases or mixed acini. Okay? What is the difference between serous and mucus acini? Serous acini are smaller and darker. Mucus acini larger and paler. Here pyramidal cells. Here cuboidal cells. Serous ganglion cells deliver their secretion to the lungs through intercellular canaliculi, who push the secretion of acini to dark myoepithelial cells. What is the difference between the type of secretion in between them? Serous, watery containing enzymes, mucus, secrete mucus for protection and lubrication. You have here something other than the cyanide? Yes. It's circular structure with a white lumen. The lumen of that is always larger than the lumen of a cyanide. What is the shape of lining cells? Cuboid diagram. Its size inside the lobule. Inside the lobules, we have two types of ducts. The smaller, which takes the secretion from a cyanide, intercalated. The larger, which modifies the secretion, is striated. Okay, what is the name of this section? Sublingual. Why sublingual? Mainly mucus with few serous or mixed. Just like this, but not so clear. Okay, what are these two structures? The smaller one is intercalated. The larger one with columnar cells is striated. As I mentioned, you know this because columnar cells, the nuclei are central. Why? The basal area is occupied by the basal membrane contents containing mitochondria. This may be myoepithelial cell. Function is squeezing secretion to outside. What is the type of this section? Submandibular or sublingual? Sublingual salivary gland. So, I think these are the three slides. Right? Okay. Thank you.